Many drivers make these mistakes when approaching a roundabout. These small errors may seem harmless, but they can easily create dangerous situations on the road. So now, let's see the correct and safe method of making a U-turn in a roundabout while maintaining proper lane discipline. Understanding the correct lane and timing will make the maneuver much smoother and safer. Entering the wrong lane creates confusion and increases the risk of accidents. Other drivers may not expect your movement, which can lead to sudden braking or unsafe lane changes. Now let's look at the correct, safe, and recommended U-turn technique in a roundabout. Following a clear step-by-step method helps you stay predictable to other road users. Always give priority to vehicles already inside the roundabout. Do not enter until it is safe. Wait for a clear gap in traffic, then proceed smoothly while keeping your speed controlled. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to John Driving School for more practical driving tutorials. Drive smart, and see you in the next lesson.